Welcome. In this video, I will explain how to fix wireless interference on Logitech G305 X SUPERLIGHT mouse. So, the wireless interference is something that happens when you put too many different wireless devices and their receivers in between your mouse and its receiver, its dongle, and this causes your mouse to lag or stutter. And basically, in order to fix it, the only way to go is to replace your mouse receiver so that no other wireless devices stand in its way. The best decision would be just replacing your dongle and inserting it into the USB ports on the front panel of your PC. This way you will have the better distance, shorter distance between your mouse and its dongle, and also less wireless devices standing in their way. This should fix your stuttering and lagging issues if you're experiencing some. But if not, you can always switch to the wire. Just make sure that you are using an original one, or you can use a Bluetooth connection, maybe using a Bluetooth dongle and connecting to it while having it inserted in on the front panel of your computer into the USB port on the front panel of your computer. Maybe it will work better for you than the Lightspeed dongle. But yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.